All right, today is Wednesday, March the 18th, 2015, Vincent Corporation in Tampa, Florida. We're running a sample of Brewers grain from PEG in Park City, Utah. Here's what the material looks like. It looks pretty coarse, which is always a good sign. We've already begun the test. We're running in a KP-6 with a tapered shaft, 60 Hertz, which is about 19 RPM on the screw. Collecting all of the liquid and all of the pressed cake. Frankly, at these settings, 40 PSI, with 60 Hertz, we may be leaving a little bit on the table. We may be able to do a little bit better, but since there will be upsizing going on, you'll be using a larger press for full-scale operation. We're going to leave it at 60 Hertz in an effort to not get any false positives.
Feeding good.
Yeah, feeding well through the hopper. Bridging is not an issue, which is great. Trying to capture all the press cake here. I already have a sample over there of the as received. It's hard to see. There you go, a baggie of as received over there. And we'll get a small baggie of pressed cake and pressed liquor also. But this is running very, very well. A little bit of pressed cake falling here. I'll be sure to get that collected. What we'll do is we'll weigh the two components. We'll weigh the pressed cake and the pressed liquor after the test is over. That total weight will be less than what was sent to us, but that is no problem. Usually there'll be a little loss inside the press. No new stuff going in to push the old stuff out, so it's just safe to assume that whatever's left inside will have separated to the same way as what came out, the same ratio.
Everything they've since run.
Okay, so everything has gone in.
Probably could get away a lot better than that.
Yeah, it is. It seems like it's a little damp, but again, we're trying to be conservative. But you know, you squeeze with your hand and you only get a little drop. See that? That's how this Brewers grain stuff seems to be. You get out that free liquid, but regardless, it still feels damp. So anyway, I'm really happy with what we see here. It fed instantly, started dewatering right away, doing real well. You see the liquid is starting to really stop coming out early in the screen and is now all the way down here at the end. We're probably close, yeah, to where we would shut the machine off and consider that to be the test. What we'll do is clean out the pails that was sent in, put the liquor back in the small one, the pressed cake back in the big one, and send it on back. I'd say you can stop really at any time.
Stop.
There we go. That is it. Very good looking pressed cake. Kind of thick pressed liquor, but I believe that's okay given where it's going. So I'd say it's a very successful run.